Hello and welcome to Almir Training Center. This is Abdul from IT department. I'm here to help you to gain some experience in Outlook 2007. Most of us are aware of Outlook as an email program provided by Microsoft. But apart from the email utility, you can also schedule your meetings in calendars and maintain your contacts details and keep track of the tasks to be completed. Define due dates and set reminders to help you finish them in time. You can also make your own notes. The combination of all these features together and the interaction between them make Microsoft Outlook powerful. Let's take a quick tour of Outlook 2007. Outlook 2007 interface is very flexible. Everything can be expanded and shrinked again. Everything can be expanded and shrink it again like that. If you shrink like that or minimize, that can give you space to read, to do whatever you want. It's up to you. Let's start with the address bar. Address bar containing the name of the folder you have selected. Suppose I select the folder IT Help Desk like that, you will find the name coming here like that. And beside that you can also move the window from that address bar. Okay? From that bar you can move the window like that. You can maximize, you can close, you can minimize. You can also from here maximize or close or minimize or move like that. You can move in case if you don't have mouse. But all of us have mouse right now, so no need to that one. Okay? Below it you will find the menu bar. The menu bar is also flexible. You can take it like that and paste it anywhere like that. You can drag it here and keep it here. You can drag it and drop it here. It's up to you. You can leave it anywhere. This is very flexible with you. And also there is some normal commands we will explain in details in the upcoming lessons. Okay, let's bring that one back like that. Let's talk about the toolbar. I mean icon toolbar. The icon toolbar called context sensitive ribbon. Why they give it that name? Because that one is really sensitive. Really sensitive. That means once you click any shortcut like that, that one gonna to change like that. Once you click another one like that, the icons inside this toolbar will be changed also. So the context sensitive ribbon is changeable one. Okay, changeable depending upon your selection. If you select anything, it will be changeable like that. Anyway, let's bring it back. We'll talk about that one in details in the upcoming lessons also. Okay, now for example, if you would like to view navigation pane minimize, you will find it minimized like that. I want to bring that one back. Okay, view navigation pane normal. Normal means everything will be normally like that. Okay, once you click the message, you will find the reading pane or review pane like that. You can read, you can double click and then read the message in separate window like that. So it's up to you now. Okay, below that we will find favorite folders. There's some folders by default are there inside this pane, but you can add and remove whatever you want afterwards. Right click on this one for example, and you would like to add this one to the favorite. Add to favorite folders. Okay, that one will come here to favorite folders. If you would like to remove it, it's up to you. You can remove this one from the favorite folders. Up to you. You can delete it completely and you can remove from favorite folders. Okay, if you remove from favorite folders, it will be removed from here. If you delete it, it will be deleted from here and also will be deleted from the original place. So I recommend to remove from the favorite folder only. Okay, now the main folders pane. The main folders pane containing two parts, very important two parts, and the most of our job happening here in this pane like that. The first part is the mailbox. The mailbox coming directly from our Exchange server. Okay, and archive folders. These folders coming from your PC. So let's see that. Inside this mailbox there is three important things, three important items. The first one is deleted items. The second one is inbox. The third one is sent items. Okay, sent items containing some message, the inbox containing some message also, and the deleted items containing a lot of message also. Okay, so your mailbox consists of three important items. If the three important items having a lot of message and you exceeded your limitation, you will get message that your mailbox is full. Most of you got this message and complained about it. If you don't want to get this message, you have to free your deleted items, and you have also to free your inbox and your sent items. How can we do that? First of all, you have to go to the part of archive folders. That part I told you coming from your PC. Okay, you have to create new folder. How you can do that? I'll select this folder first, then go to file, then new folder. In this part I'll give the name to this folder as text or test. Okay, I have some folder here called test. Okay, afterwards I'll go to deleted items like that, then I'll select all deleted items, for example, then convert or move to folder. What is the folder? You will move to test. I'll move everything to test, and also I'll come here to inbox, I'll select everything, right click, then move to folder, then I'll select test. That in case of you having personal folder. But if you don't have archive folders or personal folder, I mean you didn't create personal folder on your PC yet, what you can do, you can select archive folder like that, and then go to file, new Outlook data file. Okay, the computer will ask you what is the type of storage. Office Outlook personal folders file, yes. PST, yes, I want that. Okay, where you will keep this file, you have to choose some place in your computer. For example, this is the location. I will keep my personal folder here on drive H. Okay, it is better to keep your personal folder on drive D, E, F, something like that. It is better not to keep it on drive C. Okay, because drive C containing the operating system, and in case of format we don't want to lose your data, so you better keep it on drive D or E or something like that, away of drive C. You got it? Okay, what is the name you will give it to personal folder? It's up to you. You can give the name as you like, then okay, then give it the name also here. Okay, now I have already personal folder here. Okay, the personal folder containing of deleted items and search folder and so on. Now if I moved this one to folder, then I'll move deleted item, for example, to deleted items here. Okay, then I'll come back and move inbox here like that to my personal folder. For example, it will come here automatically as inbox. So you can move your folder, and sent items also, I forgot to say that sent items also you have to move to your personal folder, or you have to move to test as you like. You can create some folder and put it as test. Okay, that one will come from your PC. I'll come back to this point because it's a very important point, and most of our employee complaining about this point. So today we are explaining everything in general, and we'll explain everything again in details. Okay, now you'll find some shortcuts or icons, something like that. Mail icon, once you click you will see this pane. Once you click calendar, for example, you will find another pane and another interface, something like this. Contacts, also will find another interface, tasks, notes, and so on. So you can jump around in Outlook as you want by clicking these buttons. Okay, if you need more buttons, you can come here and show more buttons. I need more button for the list, for example. I need more button for the list shortcuts also, and you can remove the buttons again by selecting show fewer buttons. Show fewer buttons like that. It's up to you. Okay, and here's also navigation pane option. You can choose whatever you want and you can remove whatever you want. Suppose I want to remove shortcuts and journal. I want to remove those buttons. You will find like this: no shortcuts and no journal. If you would like to add anything again, you can add them. If you would like to change the order, I want journal, for example, to be in the upside like that. Move up, 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 up like that. Journal now in the upside. Okay, I want to change the order of these icons again. It's okay, you can do that again by click move down. Otherwise you click whatever you want and make it up or down. It's up to you. Okay, now let's take a look at to do bar. To do bar will be on the right hand side like that here, and you can also minimize that one and maximize. It's up to you. Okay, it gives you a quick summary of your calendar, any upcoming appointments or meetings scheduled, and your task list to remind you of your upcoming engagements. If you do anything like that, here you will find it like that. We'll show you in the upcoming lessons how to use that one. Okay, downside you will find the status bar. The status bar containing two parts. The first part, on the left side hand, you will find the number of items of the folder you have selected. Suppose you select the folder FTP like that. How many items there? You will find only one item. Suppose you selected inbox, you will find 55 items right over there. Okay, on the right side you will find the status bar also talking about the connectivity. All folders up to date. So that means now all folders inside your mailbox up to date. There's nothing delaying in your Exchange server. And here's also your status of connectivity connected to the Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft Exchange. That means it's connected to our server. You can work offline if you like, but that will disconnect you from our Exchange server and you will work offline. It's up to you. In some cases your Outlook is not connected to our server. That's one of the reasons. Take a look at the right down side here. If you find it work offline, that means you are not connected. You are not connected to our Exchange server. In that case you have to go to file, then you will find some tick here like that. Remove this tick, then you will be connected to our Exchange server again. You got it? Yes. In the middle pane we will talk about some icons. Okay, in this bar you will find some icons like that. When you see this icon in your message, that means this message containing some attachment. Okay, when you see this icon down like that, that means you already read this message, but this one not read yet. That means you don't read this message yet. Okay, when you see some icon like that beside your message, that means there is some reminder. You put this reminder to remind you of something. Okay, and when you see this icons next to your message, that means that can specify the importance of this message. Okay, also you can make your message important like that, urgent or otherwise. Right click, then choose whatever you want from here. We'll talk about everything here in details, but let's take a look in general like that. Okay, and also this message you can sort this message by header or something like that. Okay, also you can sort the message like that. You can sort the message by the importance. You can sort the message by the reminder. It's up to you. If there's any message containing some reminder will come up like that. You can sort your message by icons like that, also by attachments. You will find all the message coming with attachments here right over there. Okay, and finally the paste and the default sort by received. If you clicked or received like that, you will sort by received message, and this is the default one. Okay, in this lesson we took a look at the interface in general. In the upcoming lessons inshallah we will talk in details about everything. Okay, thank you very much.